Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'll show you how to find and install new citation styles in Zotero. Super helpful if you were a professor or your professor or a journal or a school uses a style that isn't in Zotero by default. So let's say, for example, you want to create a new style that is not in Zotero. If we go back to Zotero in default, let's just click on document preferences, then see which styles are in default. So here we have these styles that are already in default in Zotero. We have American Chemical Society and all these styles. And let's say, for example, here, the style that you're looking for, your professor, the one that you have been given by the university to do by, or the assignment that you're using is not here. Now, I'll show you the easiest way on how you're going to look for that in your Zotero and also add it here so that you can use it automatically to avoid citing your paper manually. So you will go ahead. So let's say, for example, you are here on your document. Go ahead and click on Zotero up here. Go to Document Preferences. Then once you're on Document Preferences and your style does not appear here, click on Manage Styles. So once you click on Manage Styles, your styles will be here. You have this section where you have General, Synchronize, Export, Site, and Advanced. So you'll go ahead and click Get Additional Styles. Once you click on that, it takes you to where now you can search all the styles that you want online. So let's say, for example, you want different styles of MLA, different styles. So when you go back there on your default style, you find that MLA is not uh, all of them cited there. So let's say, for example, put there the name MLA, then it will go ahead and start loading for the styles that are online so that when you get there, you can be able to specify which type of MLA you're going to use to cite your paper so that you meet all the requirements that the university wants you to do. So when you look at this, we have different types of MLA styles here. We have the MLA, the Modern Language Association 6th edition. We have the 7th edition, the 7th edition with an underline with a URL, 8th edition with 8th edition and all that. So let's say, for example, they want something like University of New York Modern Language Association, the 8th edition. Once you click on it like this, it will be automatically added to your default styles. So let's go remove this, then go back to document preferences up here. So when you click on it, you find out that that style will be added here automatically. And here it is, University of New York Modern Language Association, the 8th edition. So you can go ahead and click on it and now change your citation. Maybe from where you were using, then you will use something different like this. Just easy like that. And that is how to find and install new citation styles in Zotero in just a few clicks. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more quick and useful tutorials. Drop your questions in the comments and I will help you out. Thank you for watching. Happy research. See you in the next video.